Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moon and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and use my presets on Lightroom mobile. But before getting started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and if you have, don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Let's get started. To use the presets, you will have to download the Lightroom mobile app, which is easily available on Google Play Store on Android and App Store on iOS. So, once you have downloaded the app on your mobile, you can log in using your email ID. Next, go to my YouTube page, and as you can see, there are a variety of preset tutorials available. You can select a video of your choice. To show you all guys, I've selected the dark moody preset tutorial. For a detailed information, you can read the description below where I have mentioned all these steps. I have put up a link which will directly take you to the preset download page, but this preset will be password protected. To achieve the password, you will have to watch my full video without forwarding, or else the password won't appear. The password will appear on the top right corner of the screen. The password is divided into a set of 3 which will appear at different interval of time. Once you have achieved the password, you click on this link. Put the password and you will get a download icon. Click on the icon and save the preset. Now open that file and share it to the Lightroom mobile app. Next, open the Lightroom app, open the downloaded image. Now click on the 4 dots on the top right corner. Copy the preset and now open a pic which you want to edit. Next, click on the 4 dots and select paste preset, and we are done. You can paste this preset to multiple pictures. To save the preset, click on the preset icon below. Now select the 4 dots. Now click on the create preset and put a desired name.